In this class, I am going to discuss fundamental laws of algorithm which are useful in further classes. For m comma n greater than 0 and a is greater than 0, a should not be equal to 1. We have log mn to the base a is equals to log m base a plus log n base a. Product will become sum. Let us prove this. Take this as x, let log a log m base a value as x and this value as y. Log n base a value is y. Now if we send this log a to that side, it will become base to this x. So if we send log a to that side, it will become base to this x. Similarly, here also if we send this log a to that side, it will become a power y. We got m value, n value. Here we've seen that m into n product is there. So multiply these two, m into n, mn is equals to a power x into a power y. Bases are same, power should be added. So it will become x plus y. Now again, if we send this a to that side, it will become log mn base a, that is equals to x plus y. This power will come here and this a will become log a. Now log a mn is equals to x value we have taken as log m base a, y value as log n base a. Now it's proved that log mn value is log m plus log n. Similarly, we can write log a m n p q value as log m plus log n plus log p plus log q. Base is a. So product will become sum. Similarly, log m by n to the base a value is log m base a minus log n base a. Division m by n will become subtraction here. So let us prove this. Here division is there. We have m and n. Divide these two because here we have m by n. So divide this by m by n, m by n. M value is a power of x. N value is a power of y. Now a power y will become a power of x into a power of minus y. Bases are same, power should be added. So it will become a power of x minus y. Here we have m by n. Send this a to that side, it will become log a. Log a m by n is equals to, we have x minus y. That is equals to log m by n. A is equals to, value of x is log m base a, value of y is n, log n base a. So it's proof. Log m by n value is log m minus log n. We have to remember this formula. This is very useful. And second formula is this log m by n. And let us see some more formulas. For mn greater than 0, a greater than 0, a not equal to 1, and b is any real number. We have log m power b a here. So this power will come here. So it will become b into log m base a. We have to remember this formula. We can also prove it. Let us see the proof. Let us suppose this value as p. Log m power b. Base a value is p. Now send this log a to that side. Here we have m power b is equals to, this will become a power p. Right? Now send this b here. It will become m is equals to a power p divided by b. If we send this b to that side, it will become 1 by b. Now send this a to that side, it will become log a m is equals to p divided by b. Now cross multiply this b here, it will become here, let us see here, b into log m base a value is p. So p value is this. It's proved. B is equals to b into log ma. So we have to remember this formula also. Similarly, we have log m a to the power b value. Here, this can be written as log. Write down these two, am. This middle power will come here, 1 by b. So we can prove this also. Let us suppose this value as p. Let log m a power b value as p. Now send this log a power b to that side. It will become a power b whole power p. Let me write down here. Now b into p is bp. So m is equals to a, b into p is bp. Now send this a to that side, it will become log a. M is equals to, we have bp. We want p value because we have supposed p. We want p value. Send this b here, it will become 1 by b log m base a value is p. Now we got it, 1 by b log a m. So we have to remember all these formulas. Given, find the value of log root 11 minus root 2 plus log root 11 plus root 2. Now it is in the form of log a. This is log a plus log b form. So log a into b form. So it will become log 3 root 11 minus root 2 into root 11 plus root 2. A minus b into a plus b. So it will become a square minus b square. So it will become 11 minus 2. Square and square rule will get cancelled. So we have log 3, 11 minus 2 is 9. That is equals to, 9 can be written as 3 square, 3. Now this 2 will come here. So it will become 2 log 3, 3. When log and these two values are same, whenever these two values are same, the value of that logarithm is 1. So it will become 2 into 1, that is 2. So answer for this question is 2. Similarly, we have been given logarithm of 32 into 5th root of 4 to the base 2 root 2. We have to find logarithm log of this term, 32 into 5th root of 4 to the base 2 root 2. Now this 2 root 2, 2 into root 2 can be written as, root 2 can be written as 2 power of 1 by 2. Here we have power 1. So bases are same, power should be added, 1 plus 1 by 2. So it will become 2 power of 3 by 2. So this will become log, base value is 2 power 3 by 2. Similarly 32. 32 can be written as, take LCM, 16, 8, 4, 2, 2. How many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 32 can be written as, 32 can be written as 2 power of 5. We have 4 here. 4 can be written as 2 square whole power of 5th root of 5. So it will become 1 by 5. So it will become 2 power of 2 by 5. So the value of this 32 into 5th root of 4 value is this. What is the value? 2 power 5. 2 power 5 into 2 power of 2 by 5. 2 power of 5 is 32. 2 power 2 by 5 is 5th root of 4. Now we have log base 3 by 2. Bases are same, power should be added. So write down 5 plus 2 by 5. This can be written as 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 by 5. Now this power will come here because of this formula, log a m power b. We have this b will come here, so it will become b into log m. Now this is in the form of log m power b a. B will come here, so it will become b log m base a. So this 27 divided by 5 will come here, log 2 power of 3 by 2. Similarly, we have one more formula, that is log a power b m. So this b will come here, 1 by b. What is left? Log m, a is there. So we will apply here. So it will become 27 divided by 5 into this term. 3 by 2 will come out of the log. It will become 1 divided by 1 by b. 1 by b value is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into log 2 and 2 here. So this will become 27 by 5 into, this will become 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 log 2 and 2. 3 ones, 3 nines. 9 2s are 18. 18 divided by 5. Whenever these two are same, logarithm value is 1. So it will become 1. So 18 by 5. We have 18 by 5 as the answer for this question. And if so, log x base 2, log x base 4 and so on, value is 6, find the value of x. Given log x base 2, here we have base 2, log x, this 4 can be written as 2 square plus log x, this 16 can be written as 2 power 4 plus and so on is equals to 6. 2 power 4 value is 16. Now we can apply this formula, log m a power b. This b will come here, 1 by b log a m. So apply here, it will become log x base 2. This 2 will come here, 1 by 2 log x 2. Similarly, this 4 will come here, 1 by 4 log x 2 plus and so on equal to 6. Now take log x common, we have, take this term common, we have 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus and so on, log x base 2 value is 6. This series is in GP up to infinite. So here this is in the form of geometric progression. So S infinite is equals to a divided by 1 minus r. A value is the first term, r value is common ratio, t2 divided by t1, that is 1 by 2 divided by 1, that is 1 by 2. So this can be written as, this complete series is replaced by a divided by 1 minus r. So a value is 1 divided by 1 minus r value is 1 by 2. So this complete series will be replaced by this term into log x equal to 6. Now 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2 value is 2. 2 log x 2 is equals to 6. 2 ones, 2 threes. So we have log x base 2 equal to 3. Send this log 2 to that side, it will become 2 power 3, that is 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So this is the answer. Given, let a and b are positive real numbers such that log a plus log b is equals to 7 by 2, log b log a equal to 2 by 3. Find the value of ab. Now this term, log a as it is, 27 can be written as 3 power 3 plus log b, 9 can be written as 3 square, 7 by 2, common 3. Now this 3 will come out of the log, so it will become 1 by 3 log a 3 plus this 2 will come out, so it will become 1 by 2 log b 3 is equals to 7 by 2. Let us take equation 1. Similarly here also this term log b, 27 can be written as 3 power 3 plus log a this 9 can be written as 3 square is equals to 2 by 3. Now this 3 will come here, so it will become, I am writing here 1 by 3. This 3 will come 1 by 3. Let me write here 1 by 3 log 3b plus this 2 will come here, so it will become 1 by 2 log a3 is equals to, we have 2 by 3. Take it as equation 2. We have to find out the value of AB, that is product here. Here we have two equations. If we add these two equations, we will get product. Now add these two equations. We have 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 log A, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Take this term common, log A 3. Similarly 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 log B 3 is equals to 7 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Now take LCM, 6, 2 ones plus 3 here, log A 3. Similarly this will become 3 plus 2 by 6 log B base 3. 6, 7 3s are 21. Okay, in 21 plus 4. Now this will become 2 plus 3 is 5 by 6 log A base 3. 5 by 6 log B 3 is equals to 25 divided by 6. Take 5 by 6 common here. We have 5 by 6 common. We have log A3 plus log B3 is equals to, we have 25 by 6. Now this 6 will get cancelled, 5 ones, 5 5s. So log A plus log B, it will become product. Sum will become product A into B with common base 3 is equals to 5. Now send this term to that side, it will become base. AB is equals to 3 power of 5. So 3 power 5 is 3 into 5 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 3 1s are 3, 8 3s are 24. So it will become 243. The value of AB is 243. Reciprocal of logarithm for m comma a greater than 0, both are positive, and a m not equal to 1. We have log m base a. Now we can take reciprocal of it. That implies it will become 1 by log. Interchange these two. In place of m, write down a, and a will come here. So we can interchange these two and take reciprocal of it. Let us prove it. Now we have a proof. Suppose this value as p. Let log a m equal to p. Send this log a to that side, it will become a power p. So m equal to a power. Now send this p to that side, it will become m power 1 by p is equals to a. Now send this m here, it will become log. So we have 1 by p here, we have log m a. Now get the value of p. Interchange these two, we have 1 by log a m is equals to p. The value of p we have taken log m a. Similarly, change of base for m comma a comma b greater than 0, all are positive, and ab not equal to 1. We have log m a. So this can be written as log m divided by log a to the common base b. So this is the formula for log m base a is log m other base b log a base b. Similarly, we have for a b c greater than 0, b not equal to 1, a power log c to the base b. Here we can interchange these two. So write down c in place of a, write down log b as it is, take this a to this here, so it will become a. So we can interchange this a and c. So these are the formulas that you have to remember. If n greater than 1, then the value of 1 by log n base 2, 1 by log n base 3, 1 by log n base 4, plus on so on, 1 by log n 53. We know that log m base a can be written as 1 divided by, interchange these two, a will come here, m here. So taking this formula here, now 1 by log n 2 can be written as, this can be written as log, interchange these two, 2 will come here, n will come here. Similarly, this will become log 3 n here. So plus n plus log 4 n up to log 53 base n. Now log a plus log b plus log c up to so on n. This can be written as log n. Now we have 2 into 3 into 4. Here we have into. So 3 into 4 into up to so on 53 log n. Here we can multiply 1. So 1 into 2 into up to 53 can be written as 53 factorial. So the value of this is log 53 factorial n. Similarly, we have to find out the value of 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1, 1 by c plus 1. We have been given a value, b value and c value. Now let us solve this question. We want a plus 1 here. Let us calculate a plus 1 first. A value is log 20 base 3 plus 1. Now this will be log 20 base 3. Now convert this one in terms of log. Here we have 3. So we can make this as log 3 and 3. The value of this is 1. Now this can be simplified as log a plus log b is log ab. So it will become 20 into 3. Sum will become product. So it will become log 3, 20 into 3 is 60. So the value of a plus 1 is log 60. Similarly, b plus 1 value is log 15, 4 plus 1 is there. So log 15, 4. Now the value of 1 can be written as in terms of log, because here we have log. So write down log 4 is there. So 4, 4. So sum becomes product. So 15 into 4. 4 is there. Log 15 4s are 60. So this is b plus 1 value. Similarly, get the value of c plus 1. C value is log 12 5 plus 1. Log 12 base 5 plus. The value of 1 can be written as log 5 is there. So 5 and 5. Sum becomes product. 12 into 5. Common base 5. So the value is 60. 25 or 12 5s are 60. Here we have this. We got a plus b plus 1 c plus 1 value. Now substitute here. We have 1 by a plus 1. A plus 1 value we have log 60 base 3 plus 1 divided by b plus 1 value. B plus 1 value is log 60 base 4 plus 1 by c plus 1. C plus 1 value is log 60 base 5. Now make use of reciprocal formula, that is log m base a value can be written as 1 by log m log a base m. Now this can be written as 60 will come here, 3 will come here. So 360 plus. Similarly, this will become 460 plus log 560. All bases are same. Now this is sum. Convert to product. This will become log 3 into 4 into 5. Common base 60. So that is log 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 base 60. When these two are same, the value will be 1. Therefore, the answer is 1 for this question. Find the value of 81 power 1 by log 3 base 5 plus 27 log 36 base 9 plus 3 power 4 by log 9 base 7. Now consider power of 81. We have 1 by log 3 5. This can be written as log, interchange these two, 5 will come here and 3 will come here. Similarly, consider the power log 36 9. So this can be written as log 9 can be written as 3 square. 36 can be written as 6 square. Now this 2 will come here. So it will become 2 log 6 33 square. We have one formula, that is log a power b m. Now this b will become 1 by b log m a. So applying here, this 2 will come here. So it will become 2 divided by 2 log 6 3. So it will become log 6 3. Also, okay, similarly consider the power 4 by log 9 7. Consider this power 4 by log 9 base 7. Now that this can be written as 4 into, send this log to numerator, it will become log, interchange these two, 7 will come here, 9 here, it will become 4 into log 7. 9 square means 3, 9 means 3 square. Now this 2 will come here, it will become 4 divided by 2. This 2 will come here, so log 7 here and 3 here. This will become 2 log 7 3. Now we have 81 here. 81 can be written as 81. LCM of 81. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So 3 power 4. So 81. This 81 can be written as 3 power 4. Whole power of this is log 5 and 3 will come here. Plus 27 can be written as 3 power 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. Power 36 9 can be written as log 6 here, 3 here. Plus 3 power 4 by log 9 7 values 2 log 7 3. Now this 4 will become the power of 5. So it will become 3 power log 3 5 power 4, plus this 3 will come here. So it will become log, we have 3 also, 3 power log 6 power 3 and 3 here, plus 3, this 2 will become the power of 7. So it will become 3 power log 7 square 3. Now whenever these two are same, the value will be 5 power 4. Similarly here also the value is 3 and 3 same. So it will become plus 6 cube, plus the value will be 7 square. 5 power 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. Plus 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216, plus 7 square 49. So 625 plus 216, value is 11 4 8 41 plus 49. So we'll have 890. Therefore the value of this is 890. 60 power a value is 3, 60 power b value is 5. Find 12 power 1 minus a minus b by 2 into 1 minus b. Given 60 power a is equals to 3. Now send this 60 to that side, it will become log 3 base 60. Similarly 60 power b is equals to 5. Send this 60 here, it will become log. We have a value and b value. Consider the power 1 minus a minus b divided by 2 into 1 minus b. Let us solve this power first. Here we have 1, take minus common, a plus b divided by 2 into 1 minus b. A value we have log 3, b value 5 divided by 2 into 1 minus log b. B value is log 5 60. That equal to 1 minus log. Bases are same. Here sum become products, so it will become 3 into 5 60 divided by 2 into 1 minus log 5 60. Now here we have log. We can convert this one in terms of log only. So this one can be written as log. Here 60 is there. So 60 60. The value of this is 1 minus log 5 3s are 15 60 divided by, take 2, value of 1 here log 60 60 minus log 5 60. Now log a minus log b, log a by b, so it will become log 60 by 50. Difference become division. 60 by 15, here 60 will be there, divided by 2 log 60 by 5 60. Now cancel this 5 3s, 5 12, 3 1s 3 4, so it will become log 4 base 60 divided by 2 log 5 1s 5 12, so it will become 12 60. This can be written as 1 by 2. Separate this 1 by 2, write down log 4 60 log 12 60, that is equals to 1 by 2. When these two are same, we can write down as, skip this 60, write down 4 here with base 12. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 log 4 is 2 square, log 12 here, 2 will come here, so 2 divided by 2 log 2 12 will be there, so the value will be log 2 12. This is the value of this 1 minus a minus b by 2 into this. We have 12 here, this 12 base 12, and the value of this we have got as log 2 12. Whenever these two are same, the answer is this, so the answer is 2.